What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, we're gonna be doing kind of like a room makeover slash desk setup upgrade. So I've been living in this basement for about a year now, and the one thing I don't like is I just have a lot of things in here that just don't go well with each other. And what I mean by that is just kind of like a bunch of just random things in the room. So some things I can't get rid of just because I do live in my parents' house still, so a lot of like furniture I do unfortunately have to keep. So like first thing is like this kind of dresser mirror thing where you guys see the color is completely off now. It's not even white anymore, but fortunately I do have to keep this, and this is kind of like the best spot I think is for this just because it's quite big. But you guys see I just have a lot of random things that I should get rid of, as well as if I move on to here, I have this kind of like curtain thing just to kind of cover the closet, because in here is just complete mess. It's all like storage, which isn't even mine. So fortunately I can't really clean out the closet. So this was my sister's. I don't know why she got this, but I'm planning to replace this because like when I'm recording videos, this is kind of like the background, and I think this kind of looks ugly, to be honest with you. And then if we move on to here, have a bunch of random boxes, have a TV stand that just has to be here, fortunately. So probably gonna get rid of a couple of the boxes because I don't know why I don't need this mega box controller thing, so might as well get rid of some of these things. Also, I did want to mention the color of my wall is just completely off. I wish it was just completely white, but it's kind of like a light blue. So maybe sometime in the summertime I will just kind of completely paint the entire room. And as well as the wall is a different type that you would typically have. It's kind of like a wood kind of like panel. So fortunately we have little lines right here throughout the room, which I don't like at all. But like I said, I can't do anything about that. But yeah, guys, I did pick up a couple things I'm showing you guys throughout the video. Hopefully after the room looks a lot better. So hope you guys do enjoy the video. So my IKEA package just came in. So I believe this is the wall shelf, and then this kind of like the shelving unit. So I'm probably gonna start off with this first, and then we'll go to the wall shelf afterwards. Alright guys, so now we just finished putting this all together. So I'm gonna basically put it where my studio lights and tripod originally were, so basically right beside my desk. So let's just move this out of the way right here, and we'll grab this and we'll put it right here. So originally I did actually get like 2 bins to put at the top, but unfortunately IKEA had them out of stock, so I do have to pick some up from Amazon. So I just didn't want like 4 open space and then just stuff a bunch of random stuff in, because then that'd be kind of besides the point of getting this. So obviously here is the IKEA plant that I did get. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on my desk, but as of now we'll just put them on right here, and then now we're gonna be putting on the shelf. So fortunately my camera died while I was setting this up, but here it is right now right above my desk. I think this looks pretty clean. I still don't know what I'm gonna put on the shelf, but we'll have to wait and see. So I just got my package from Gutsy Aiden. If you don't know what Gutsy Aiden is, it is a mouse pad company. So I'm gonna link them down below in the description of the video. So the one I did get, I forget what it's called, but it is a white mouse pad with a bunch of blue patterns, and I obviously think this looks a lot better and cleaner than using the Aki one that I did get from Amazon about 2 years ago. And speaking of minimal, I am planning to get like a dual monitor setup, as well as upgrading my PC case to like a white one. So since I am going for like kind of like that white minimal look, we will be doing that in a future video. So now let's open up the package. So let's first off take off my mouse pad off my desk. We will not be using this Aki mouse pad anymore. So here is the mouse pad in this kind of like wrapping paper material, and you also do get a sticker of the Gutsy Aiden logo. I don't know if it comes in different colors, but I got the blue one right here, and then you obviously get a business card with all their information on it, so pretty solid. So kind of like my first impressions of this mouse pad is, I think it's just super clean and minimal. This looks perfect on any sort of like white desk. I did get the largest size, which I do believe it's 36 by 18, so it's about the same size as my old Aki mouse pad. You can get a smaller one because I know some people don't like that super big mouse pad that takes up their entire desk. But this is the one I picked, and there's also different colors you guys can select from. There's like red, there's pink. I have the white with the blue patterns, but you can also get the blue background with the white patterns as well. Yeah, that's basically it. That's all the packages I received today, and here's kind of like the full setup of my desk. So we're gonna start off the bottom right here. So we have our LED plant. This is not even mine. I'm actually holding this off for my girlfriend. And then if we move over to the left side, we have a 1 terabyte portable hard drive, and then there's a bunch of camera gear, just like mics and mini tripod stand. And then if we go above, have a bunch of Apple products that I've had over the years, like the Macbook Pro and all the iPhones. And then if we move over to the right side, we just have a bunch of meds right here, vitamins, all that stuff. So make sure you guys are having your vitamins. Very important. You guys have that. So if we move over to the top right here, we have my 13-inch 2016 MacBook Pro. Definitely got to upgrade this. It's just not doing well with video editing anymore. We got my wallet right here. So it's a very small basic wallet. My keys. So nothing too crazy. PS4 controller and the Devoon Bluetooth speaker that I did a review on my channel. And then we have the typical IKEA plant. So here we have my shelf, and on the shelf we have this cool music player thing that my girlfriend made for me, as well as just a lamp. So right now it's kind of like a filler for these two items. Just I don't think they go well with each other on my desk setup. So let me know down below on what I should get. So next I have my iPhone XR, which is kind of like an extra phone of mine, on this stand I got from Amazon. I thought it looked pretty clean, so I decided to pick it up. And then next I have my Logitech gaming headset. I believe this is the G533 model. It is a bit bulky, but it is super comfortable. Might get a smaller one in the future. And then next we have my Acer TN gaming monitor, 144Hz, 1080p. I know it's nothing too crazy. It's not like those 240Hz monitor, but it works well for me. And then next we have my Blue Compass boom arm. I just got this. I love it, and I have it connected to the Shure MV7 microphone. It is basically like the little brother to the SM7B. Next I have my iPhone 13 Pro, Apple Watch, and my AirPods on this kind of like wireless dock right here. Highly recommend everyone get one for their setup. So next I have my PC right here. It's nothing too crazy, very basic. It has the Ryzen 5 3600 6-core processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, the GTX 1660 Super in the NZXT 510 case. I definitely do want to upgrade it, get more RGB like fans, as well as upgrade to a white case. Let me know down below if you guys have like any sort of suggestions. And then lastly we have my keyboard that I have from Amazon, just a super basic one. And then we have my Logitech G305 wireless mouse, and then obviously you guys saw the Gutsy aided mouse pad that I just got. Absolutely love it. So here's a full view of my current setup. Obviously there is room for improvement, but I personally think it looks a lot better than it did before. And I also want to show you guys my cable management. It is not the best, but it is also not the worst, but I definitely need to fix this up. So this is what my setup does look like when I have the lights off, and this is kind of how I have it probably 90% of the day. Alright guys, so that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. Before we do end it off though, I know at the beginning of the video I did say that this is going to be more of a room makeover, but in the end I did get a lot of stuff for my desk setup. I do want to make this in kind of like a series on my channel where I do more upgrades on my desk setup as well as my room. So if you guys have any sort of suggestions on what I should get or what I should upgrade, leave your comments down below in the comments section. Also, I did want to mention about the content, specifically this video, because I've never really uploaded this sort of video on the channel before. So let me know what you guys think about this video specifically. I do want to upload more like desk setups, or sorry, desk setup upgrades, as well as like maybe like some sort of day in the life. I don't really know yet, but if you have any suggestions or any like feedback, I would love to hear that in the comment section below. So yeah, that's basically it for the video. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you guys did, drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.